look at this beast. Oh, you trying to get up it? Oh, there goes the grill. Man, what are those, 50s? Oh, almost.
One more
He
try.
said, I'm gonna get it.
One more try. Come on.
Woo, hopefully not. Come on.
Hey, Tyler.
Please, please, look at that thing. Get it.
You almost had it the other way.
You gotta get on the outer edge of that tire.
I haven't been going. Troy sold his rig. God. I still have the rig.
What size are those tires? 50s?
54s.
54s. Damn.
Yeah, that's how you build a Jeep.
You said it.
Yeah, and I'm gonna drop my
Yeah, you gotta get on the outside of that tire, maybe.
You need to lower your air
There you
pressure.
go. Come passenger or driver.
Hard driver.
Send it.
There you go.
What size tires?
54s.
That was $500.
Flash wound.
Well, you already did that. You gotta make it now.
Go for it.
Wrong way.
Stupid tire.
Chain drivers.
All right, here we go.
There you go.
There you go.
No.
No.
Driver still. You're at the. There you go.
Yeah, now driver.
Driver. Hard driver.
Still might have needed a little bit.
Got it. 8 more inches. Driver. There you go.
Come on,
Your
baby.
tire's on the ground. You're fine.
Keep going.
Just your front tire now.
Driver. More.
Yeah, okay. There you buried in there.
Oh, fine.
Woo.
Hey, at least it's got the e-brake on.
Look how tall that is.
Hey, that's how you make it.
That's to the chesticles. To the chesticles. Damn. Wow. That's how you build a Jeep. What's up? It's your boy, Big Me's for She's, and I'm back out here in this thing, baby. If you can see behind me, boom. We out here in Elbe, K.O.E, King of Elbe event. It's my first time out here. And if you ain't been out here, come out here, because I'm definitely coming back. Seeing all these trails on the way up here? Yeah, boy. Stay tuned so you guys can see, you know, a little something from these built rigs out here. And I'm only out here for a little bit, so I might not see who gets crowned King of Elbe. We're gonna see some competition, all right? Stay tuned. get it. Oh, there you go. There you go. Man, they out here getting it. I can't wait to see this one come up the hill. They make it look easy out here, man. They are built. One day, woo, they getting it in. That's it. Go get it. Go get it.
That was awesome.
Slanging mud, baby. Go get it. Walking up there. Dang, how you just walk up that? It's so muddy and slick.
I mean, look at that terrain.
You just walked it.
He's a little bit bigger of a tire.
Mine? Yeah. I'm gonna put 38s on it.
Let's get it, baby. Let's get it, baby. Last racer, they did it. Oh, yes indeed. How was that?
Hey man, that was cool.
Yeah,
Crawling, that's all you gotta do.
yeah, buddy.
You got speed and crawl.
That's off the hood. At the K.O.E booth. This is where the good stuff is.
That's the one with the 600 horse?
Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it!
Mud bath. The honey bucket. Ooh, that's dope. Man, see, this is the business about an off-road rig. You can customize it any way you want to. Everything looks different out here. Everything is dope too. Woo-wee. So yeah, K.O.E. All right, y'all, that's a wrap for the K.O.E video. Man, what a blast. Bro came out with me today. If you guys haven't been to Elbe, check it out. Next year, I'm definitely coming out here and I'm gonna do it big. And if y'all wanna come out with me, you know what I mean? Let me know. But there's tons of people out here, so it's unfortunate I'm not staying tonight because
It's about to go down.
yeah, it's about to go down. So if you get a chance, visit phenomenal.com. Let me know what you guys think. If you wanna support the channel, it's a good way to do that. Yeah. We out here, Elbe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And I appreciate all my subscribers. And to those of you who haven't, hit that subscribe button. You know what I mean? Don't forget to follow your boy on Instagram and TikTok at Phenomenal and at Phenomenal OYR on Facebook. And other than that, y'all already know what to do. Be easy.
Let's go.